comes and gets something on it. Out to Lamine yamal. The shot is a good one and it's in. Lamine yamal through a crowd. The goalkeeper was maybe unsighted. He reacted late, and it was too late to prevent the shot from Lamine yamal. Flying in just past the midway point of the first half. Barcelona have the lead, and it is the star of the summer, the star of the early season as well, Lamine yamal.
Regains it from Callejon. Lamine! What are we witnessing? What a game! And what a talent! 16 years of age and scoring goals of this caliber! It's astonishing!
Another giveaway, Lamine yamal.
He's off! He's off! He's off! He's off! He's off!